We know how important your equipment is for your business. When you get your OSHA inspection at Runnion Equipment, our techs perform an in-depth operational inspection of your machine to check for anything loose, leaking, or out of the ordinary. We'll provide you with pictures of any issues we see during the inspection. To identify any problems that might not be noticeable when the machine is stationary, our techs will put your machine through normal operating cycles during the inspection. Searching for leaks or damage, techs will inspect the PTO, pump, and splines on the underside of the chassis. If the unit has a dry spline, we will remove the pump from the PTO to inspect the splines for internal wear and lubrication levels. Mounting bolts and hardware can loosen over time with normal wear. To address this, our techs will check and torque bolts to factory spec. Also part of a Runnion OSHA inspection is the application of factory recommended lubricant to boom sections and outriggers via Zerk fittings. Finally, we will inspect the hydraulic tank breather and replace the hydraulic return oil filter. Call us today to schedule your OSHA inspection.